What's up, everybody? You're obviously watching the Crucible Coachworks YouTube channel, and we are live, not really live, but at the PCA Annual Swap Meet in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. It's gonna be a good day, I think.
Yeah, the weather's perfect, which is very unusual for this event, and looking forward to that.
And we got 45 minutes of sleep.
Yes.
It's better than no sleep.
That's an hour and a half total combined.
We're combining our sleep. We're in sync.
I think it's the only way we catch up.
All right, fair enough. So anyway, we're gonna go around today and, interview people, get some shots of the car, shots of other cars here. Whatever, we're gonna have a good time, and then we'll put it on the internet for everyone to vicariously live through us or something like that, I don't know. All right, so Brad's here, and as you may have seen in previous videos, he helped sand this car and do other fitting things in general.
This looks just like ours.
How do you feel about it now in actual paint and fitted up?
Well, I'm so stoked to see the car. It came together wonderfully. All the extra hours of Ryan's time and effort and the fine tuning and the little details really look awesome. Little things like gaps that are just fine tuned and perfect just look great. And the paint job, just everything comes together really nicely. I'm so happy for you, Ryan.
Thank you.
And if you can't tell, he is like front and center at this show. So this is the car to look at today.
Yeah, we have prime real estate. We have prime real estate right here. We're directly beside Faulkner Porsche, Auto House Porsche, and the music.
Yeah, so awesome work, Ryan.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here with Kyle, obviously next to the Slantnose still. Kyle, what you said you've been following along with the build so far. What are your thoughts on as it sits right now in front of you? Do you have anything you want to say?
Absolutely gorgeous work. The fab work behind it is super inspirational. Definitely makes me want to get out and learn a little bit more about metal and welding and all that stuff. And so yeah, you guys did a great job, and can't wait to see what your next project is.
So are you local to here?
Yes, I'm actually I live in Lewisberry.
Okay, yeah.
And my family's from
Sweet, man. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you, yeah.
Thanks again.
Appreciate it, yeah.
Yeah, I appreciate your work, man.
All right, so I'm here with Garrett from Bandit's Back Road, and he would like to share a couple things that he has to say about our build, I guess, right?
Yeah, absolutely. First of all, if you haven't seen it in person, you need to see it in person. The video, the YouTube, and the Instagram is awesome, but when you see it in person, it's a whole nother level. You really you owe it to yourself to come down and check this thing out. Show Ryan here, man, met him. This guy is the real deal. This craftsmanship on this thing is incredible. The metal work's incredible. What they've done and taken a 996, the unloved 996 to a whole nother level is just incredible. You owe it to yourself. Come down, check it out.
Woo! This video has been sponsored by Boom Nation. Find the best paying jobs, connect with employers, and get that paycheck in the bank. They also do not endorse this dangerous activity, I'm sure. There are more and more jobs every day, with over 50,000 app downloads. The version 2.0 coming very soon. No, this is not fair. Who shot me? Nope. Download Boom Nation today.
Yeah, I found it, Ryan.
I got like
I got a spot with my cheese off.
All right, so I'm here with Rob IDA, and we are obviously still at the swap meet. And Rob, I was curious what you thought of the Slantnose from what you see right now.
I can't believe it's done, right? I was watching it on your Instagram, and it seemed like just a week ago you were still shaping sheet metal and welding it together.
Yeah.
And it's painted in one piece, and there it is.
It's been a marathon.
Yeah, it's so cool. I mean, it's a great concept, great execution.
Thank you.
And it was entertaining to watch. It's a lot of fun.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
How you feel, Tony?
This feels good.
The sun doesn't feel good.
It's a little warm.
A little. I am a rotisserie chicken.
Compared to this morning, though, that's kind of nice.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so that's the PCA Annual Swap Meet Slantnose Edition. We got it here. It only cost us like
Half our
a
lives.
collective of like, between the two of us, what, like at least 450 hours for the past 2 weeks?
In the past 2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, something like that. And lots of external help.
Yes, thank you, external help.
Yes, external help, specifically the external help. Anyway, make sure you guys are
Can
liking.
we call them external heroes?
What?
External heroes.
I think Tony's having a sunstroke. I haven't been home in like 4 days.
That's true.
My wife is over there. She's very patiently
Yes, thank you.
been supporting us. But I'm gonna go home now if I can get off the ground. And yeah, make sure you guys are doing the usual, liking, commenting, subscribing, and take a vacation. I'd like to take one.
We will.
Anyway, see you guys, Saturday. And we'll be doing more work on the Slantnose or the hunting cart. I'm not sure which yet, but there's a lot more projects on the way. When we have more energy. I don't wanna!
Yeah.
What year is it?